Hello, my name is Jalen Baldwin. I injured my shoulder playing football. I remember the exact day, the exact time that I've injured it. I know there are other student athletes like myself that deals with the pain every day and always constantly have to worry about it.
My name is Camille Weiss. I injured my knee last year from cheerleading, and even though I went to physical therapy, I still have chronic pain.
I'm Dr. Duncan Lascelles. I run the Comparative Pain Research Laboratory at North Carolina State University College of Veterinary Medicine. We're using pets to work out what will be effective for alleviating pain in people, alleviating pain in teen athletes. Pain, particularly persistent pain, is a huge economic problem. In the United States alone, the cost of persistent pain, including post-traumatic pain, is $600 billion a year. That's more than the economic impact of cancer, cardiovascular disease, and diabetes combined. And yet, for the last 25 years, there have been no new analgesics developed for one of the most common causes of pain, musculoskeletal pain. Pain as a result of injury to the musculoskeletal system.
Hi, my name is John Delgado, and I'm a senior at Forsyth High School. I suffered an ACL tear, so I had to do surgery, and my surgery was the worst experience I've ever had, and it was so painful. But after the surgery, they put me on oxycodone and Percocet, and those two drugs didn't allow me to do anything. I was completely out of it for 2 weeks. I felt loopy, and the drugs just made me feel really bad. So I decided on the third day, which I was supposed to take them for 2 weeks, I decided on the third day I was gonna get off them, and I did that, and I felt way better without them. And the rehabs made me feel way better than the drugs ever did. So that was how the recovery process went.
Because of the lack of treatments available, student athletes often continue to experience the pain of their injuries.
Despite the billions of dollars being spent in biomedical pain research, that translational paradigm from rodent work into human clinical studies is just not working to produce new analgesics. So we're innovating. We are turning that paradigm on its head. We're using pets to determine what therapeutics have a better chance of working. Diagnosing pain in pets is difficult. You can't really ask a dog or a cat how much pain you're in and expect to get a verbal answer. So what we do is we use observation of behaviors. And beyond that, we can use other techniques. We have force plates and pressure mats that can measure limb use and can detect changes in limb use that may relate to pain. We can use things like activity monitors, a little bit like the Fitbits that you might use. All of these ways will bring together to get a global picture of whether or not there's pain present and what the response to pain therapeutics has been. We're taking tissue from those pets and we're interrogating those tissues using modern molecular techniques to determine what is actually altered in the target disease. And using that approach, we're discovering targets and molecules that have not been known about before that provide the promise of new therapeutics to control pain in humans and our companion pets.